Hey creators, welcome back to the channel, your hub for everything cameras, lenses, drones, and creative tech that helps us capture and tell stories in new ways. If you're new here, I'm glad you found us. On this channel, we don't just skim the surface, we break down specs, test gear in the real world, compare the competition, and cover the latest leaks and rumors shaping the world of photography and filmmaking. So if that's your thing, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a breakdown that could help you choose your next camera. Now today we've got something big to talk about, the Sony A7V. This camera has the entire creative community buzzing because it looks like Sony's trying to hit the ultimate sweet spot. Think of it as the middle child that got all the best genes, a higher resolution sensor than the A7 IV, more video power like the A7S series, and AI Autofocus inspired by the A1 flagship, all in a package that might cost less than half the price of Sony's top-of-the-line models. In this video we're going to break down 10 key features of the A7V in detail, from its rumored 44MP full-frame sensor to uncropped 4K at 120 frames per second to the dedicated AI processor for autofocus, plus the usability upgrades that could make this Sony's most creator-friendly alpha body yet. By the end, you'll know exactly why the A7V might be the best all-in-one hybrid camera of 2025. Sensor and image quality. At the heart of the A7V is a rumored 44-megapixel full-frame sensor. That's a major bump from the A7I's 33MP, giving you more flexibility for landscape and commercial photography, cleaner crops without losing sharpness, bigger, more detailed prints. But here's the twist, it's said to be a non-stack sensor. Unlike the ultra-fast stacked sensor in the Sony A1, this means rolling shutter could still be an issue in fast-moving scenes. Even so, rumors suggest up to 20 frames per second burst shooting, which is impressive for a non-stack sensor. That makes it plenty capable for wildlife, weddings, and event shooters who need speed without going full flagship. Video performance. This is where the A7V looks like a true hybrid powerhouse. The rumors point to 4K 120 frames per second recording with no crop, 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, Cinetone, and multiple log profiles, professional codecs for flexible editing. Now, if Sony really delivers uncropped 4K at 120 frames per second, that's a massive win. No more field of view limitations, just pure full-frame slow motion, perfect for YouTubers, filmmakers, and commercial projects. The big question? Overheating. The A7 IV struggled here, but if Sony integrates the cooling tech from the A7S III or A1, the A7V could finally be the reliable workhorse creators have been begging for, ideal for long shoots, weddings, interviews, or live streams. AI autofocus, shooting fast-moving subjects. Sony already dominates autofocus, but the A7V may push things even further with a dedicated AI processor. This could mean more accurate human and animal tracking, new subject detection like cars, planes, and even insects, stickier focus in chaotic environments like sports or wildlife. Picture this: you're tracking a bird darting across the sky and the camera just locks on without hesitation. That's the level of intelligence Sony is aiming for. If it works, this could be the smartest autofocus system in its class. Body and usability. Now let's talk design. Leaks suggest the A7V could inherit refinements from the A1, including a deeper grip for all-day comfort, a cleaner, more intuitive button layout, improved weather sealing, a higher resolution EVF. These may not sound flashy, but they make a huge difference for pros who shoot day in and day out. Add in Sony's improved menus, and the A7V could be one of the most polished alpha bodies ever. Who's it for? The A7V feels built for a wide audience, enthusiasts ready to upgrade from older A7 bodies, hybrid creators balancing stills and video equally, filmmakers and YouTubers chasing full-frame slow-motion event, and wedding shooters needing long, reliable recording. It's basically that middle ground, more powerful than the A7 IV, but way cheaper than the flagship A1. Price and release. So what's the damage? Leaks suggest the Sony A7V will land around $3,000 to $3,300. That's higher than the A7 IV, but still less than half of the A1's price tag. If Sony nails the balance, high-resolution, powerful video, cutting-edge autofocus, and solid ergonomics, the A7V could be one of the most popular hybrid cameras of 2025. Sony A7V 10 features 44-megapixel full-frame sensor. The A7V is rumored to feature a 44MP full-frame sensor, a significant jump from the A7I's 33MP. This allows higher resolution images for landscapes, commercial work, and large prints. More cropping flexibility in post without sacrificing detail. Better dynamic range and low light performance compared to older A7 models. It won't be a stacked sensor like the A1, which means rolling shutter could still appear in fast action, but it's a strong balance between resolution and performance. 20 FPS continuous shooting. Even with a non-stacked sensor, early leaks suggest 20 frames per second burst shooting. That's impressive for a mid-tier model and should cover wildlife and bird photographers who need fast bursts. Sports shooters who don't want to pay A1 prices. Event shooters capturing split-second moments. It's not A1 level speed, but for most hybrid creators, it's more than enough. Uncropped 4K 120 frames per second, recording one of the biggest rumored upgrades, is 4K at 120 frames per second with no crop. Why this matters: many cameras crop heavily at high frame rates, changing your lens's field of view. Full-frame slow-motion footage is cinematic, immersive, and creative. Perfect for filmmakers, YouTubers, and commercial work where slow motion adds production value. This would put the A7V far ahead of rivals at its price point. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. The A7V is expected to support 10-bit 4:2:2 recording, giving greater color depth for grading and editing. Smoother skin tones and gradients in professional projects. Support for log profiles like S-Log3 and S-Cinetone, enabling a true cinematic look. This means you can skip external recorders and still get broadcast-ready quality. AI-powered autofocus. Sony already dominates autofocus, but the A7V might push even further with a dedicated AI processor. This could add tracking for humans, animals, birds, cars, planes, insects. Smarter subject recognition in challenging conditions. Improved IAF that doesn't miss even with fast movement. This is a game-changer for sports, wildlife, and event shooters who need reliability. Overheating fixes and cooling system. One of the A7IV's biggest weaknesses was overheating in video mode. The A7V is rumored to adopt cooling designs from the A7S III and A1, including better heat dissipation during long-form video shoots. Extended recording limits for weddings, interviews, and live streams. More reliability for professionals who can't afford shutdowns. If Sony delivers, this could make the A7V one of the best all-day video cameras in its class. Enhanced ergonomics and grip. The A7V is rumored to borrow some refinements from the A1, such as deeper grip for better handling with large lenses. Improved button layout for faster operation. Weather sealing for outdoor professionals. These usability changes may sound small, but they make a big difference for working pros on long shoots. High-resolution EVF. A higher-resolution electronic viewfinder EVF is expected, giving a sharper, more realistic preview of your shot. Reduced lag when tracking fast subjects. A more immersive shooting experience closer to optical viewfinders. This matters especially for wildlife and sports shooters who rely heavily on the EVF. Improved menu and usability. Sony has been steadily improving their menus, and the A7V is expected to feature the newer, more intuitive menu system. Customizable function buttons and dials. Better touchscreen navigation. This means less time fumbling through menus and more time shooting. This sweet spot could make it the most popular hybrid camera of 2025, offering pro-level features without flagship pricing. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Sony A7V rumors and features. If Sony delivers even half of what's been leaked, this camera could be an absolute game changer. Imagine it: a 44-megapixel sensor for crisp, detailed stills, uncropped 4K 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion, and an AI autofocus system that could track everything from humans and animals to cars and planes with near-perfect accuracy. But here's the real test: will Sony fix the rolling shutter problem that comes with non-stack sensors? Will they finally solve overheating issues so we can record long-form content without worry? And will that new AI processor truly outperform the already industry-leading autofocus system Sony is known for? Now, I want to hear from you. Would you spend around $3,000, $3,300 on the A7V if these specs are confirmed? Do you think it's worth upgrading from the A7 IV, or would you hold out for the A9 III or even the next A1? And which rumored feature excites you the most: the high-resolution sensor, the 4K slow-motion video, or the AI autofocus? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can, and I love hearing your perspective. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so you're always first in line for our camera reviews, comparisons, and rumor roundups. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep telling stories that matter. I'll see you in the next one.